All right, guys, we are in the country, Filipino country here. What highway are we on?
604.
We're on Highway 604. 60, I think it's 601. I saw 601. And we are in the country in the Philippines. We're on our way to catch our ferry or our boat to get us to the island that we're from, or we're gonna stay for a while. And just wanted to show you the countryside. Again, there's a lot of small little businesses everywhere. Everywhere. And it's really nice to see, again, this economy that the country has. This cash economy that the country has. If you look over here, you can see the ocean. We finally made it to the ocean. So we went from Manila, we went right across east, the whole country to the other side, to catch a ferry that would allow us to get to the island we're from.
To Real Port.
Real Port? Port Real.
Port Real.
Port Real. If you look on that side, there's a lot of beach houses, a lot of
resort.
coconuts.
Beach resort.
Yeah, beach resorts. And there's a lot of coconut trees here too. And you know you are in paradise when you see these trees. And there's a lot of chickens on the road. There's a lot of chickens. And dogs. Lots of dogs and chickens. And they're just hanging out, doing their thing. But there it is right here. There's the ocean. Palm trees. Really nice. It seems pretty peaceful out here. Everyone here is just in such a good mood. No one's mad. And everyone just seems so chill everywhere. Everyone seems so happy, you know? Oh, balut. That's what the sign said. All these little shops. All these just beautiful people living their lives. It's countryside. And we got sun, folks. We go, okay, welcome to, what is this?
Real Quezon.
Poblacion and Uno Real Quezon.
Real Quezon?
Poblacion Uno Real Quezon. Real Quezon.
This guy's just chilling in his bike here, eh? Just chilling out. So, kind of wanted to show you guys the more countryside of the Philippines here. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content, or just whatever we're up to.
Yes.
Oh, here's ocean. Oh, seaside. Ooh. Oh, a couple of dogs hanging out here. Mike Martin's here. I have spoken. Ooh, a gas station. All right, we've reached the port area here. There it is. Passenger terminal, port of Real Quezon. And we are gonna wait for our ferry. That's gonna take us to an island. Which way's the island? Which island is it? Can you see from here?
No. So far.
Too far? But which way we're gonna be going? Like
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours.
We're gonna go here and then
We're gonna go out. So
go left.
so we're gonna go basically out of the intercoastal. This is an intercoastal here, and we're gonna leave the intercoastal and we're gonna go up that way into the ocean. Oh, right on. Well, I look very forward to this. Very, very, very forward to this. All these little businesses all over the place. So it's really nice to see mom and pops. This powerful economy that the Philippines has when it comes to the side economy, cash economy, is the real deal. So made it on the boat and passengers are starting to get on. I wanted to make a quick vid to show you guys. And it's actually pretty nice. Very clean, organized, nice view. And this back view right here is really nice. It's a 3-hour tour. No, a 3-hour Gilligan's Island. It's a 3-hour trip to the island. So we are preparing, ready to go. I'm pretty excited about this, guys, you can tell. And we are getting sunshine. Unlike Manila, it was just pouring. It was just piss and rain. Here, I'm gonna work on my tan, ladies and gentlemen.
Bibili tayong palengke na, bili tayong palengke. Bibili tayo sa palengke pala. Ente, manok.
Pwede na, tara.
tourist in it.